Hi guys, a wee knife guy here with another unboxing video for you, and this one's a little bit different. It is a folding knife, as you might expect. It is the usual kind of EDC, large EDC size, but it's from a brand that has never been seen on this channel before. And I didn't think it was going to be seen for quite some time, but I saw this in an auction on eBay and put it in a bid speculatively and got it for a pretty good price. So we're going to go ahead and use Victorinox Soldier here to open this up, keep it on this side so you can't see the address and so on. And quite a small package, but I think we can slip along here quite safely without getting anywhere too close to the knife box. Not a bad edge on the Soldier these days since I sorted it out. Video coming on that soon if it's not up already. Let's open it right down there. Now, I'm not sure how this is packaged inside. Oh, it just seems to be straight to the box, so without further ado, let's see what we have. Oh, nice anonymous brown box. Makusta. Now, that's a bit of an unusual brand, is it not? But I've looked at these knives for a long time. I like their kind of, their mini katana sword style knives, and a lot of their different designs. Let me see, they've got a Facebook page there. Didn't actually know that, so I'll look that up after and see what's on there. Nothing else in the box. Makusta and model number on there. Yeah, so I've looked at Makustas for a long time. A lot of their models I like, a lot of them I don't like so much because they don't have a pocket clip. But this one does, so that was kind of what swung me towards it. This is a wood-handled one, which wasn't what I originally was interested in so much. I did like some of their micarta ones, and I like those really funky looking multicolored, as I say, the kind of mini sword ones. But this looked pretty cool on eBay, so went ahead and picked it up. Get rid of the box and a bit of bubble wrap here. Let's unwrap this. And there she is. Look at that. So this is, I need to check my facts before I review this. I think it said it was stamina wood. It's definitely a nice burled wood anyway. Let me check that. That's a beautiful grain on there. Look at that. Really, really nice contoured handle. And this is a liner lock design. You can see two standoffs there. A little bit of jimping up here. Nice stainless steel liners. Thumb stud deployment, ambidextrous. Go ahead and open this up. Nice and smooth. Clicks into place. And you can see this is a Damascus style blade. It's a VG10 core with a nickel Damascus. Very, very nice looking blade, and yeah, really feeling that. So look at their side, and there is the pocket clip, which isn't just a pocket clip. There's something under there. I'm not sure what that is. Hopefully that's just some residue polish or something. Isn't just a pocket clip, but it's a very, very cool looking pocket clip. You can see it almost looks like it's got file work on it. I think that's a laser cut clip, and really, really nice symmetrical handle there. You can see the liner lock. How's the lock looking? Looks like it's fully engaged, which is always nice. Close it back up, really nice and smooth straight out of the box. Feels maybe slightly loose on the pivot. And centering is spot on. Grind on the tips there doesn't look too symmetrical though. Let's open up again. Let's try a bit of a faster deployment. Yep, comes out quite nicely. And yeah, that bevel looks a little jacked up though, doesn't it? Look how huge that bevel is on the tip. How narrow it is there and how wide there. Let's have a quick look at our side. If this will focus. Looks a little more even, looks a little thick here. But definitely that side, not too impressed with that right there. I would have to take that back a millimeter or two to try and sort out what's going on up at the tip here. I might get back to the seller and just see what their thoughts are on that, because that's a little messed up. Feels very sharp. Let's just give it a quick hair test. Yeah, it's hair popping sharp, so that's good. I might just have to have a look at that bevel, but anyway, I'll be back with more reviews on this soon, guys. Just wanted to show it off quickly, give you first impressions and unboxing. So that's the Makusta. I think this is tactility or tactili model. And I'll show you the code again on the box when we come to the review. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Cheers.